and I've been building this business in part-time with my parents since last 3 to 4 years. The reason why I'm building this business is I am a wildlife lover and I want to see all the wildlife parks across the globe. I already visited one, yes, last year. I had gone to Kenya and I had visited Masai Mara and Nakuru National Park there. So yeah, lots more to come. And I want to passionately build this business to fulfill my dream. So friends, let's start this presentation. The way business is being done today has changed drastically. Shop owners have become outdated and the method in which the business is being done has changed. Okay. So don't you think we also need to change the way we do our business? Definitely we need to change. And this is what I'm going to tell you about. So these are some companies who have defined the way business is being done today. If you look at these names, each and every name is familiar to everybody, whether it is Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, Fab India, Reliance Smart, Ajio, Chroma, each and every name, they have just redefined the way business is being done. Okay. Now, what are the challenges? See, there are around 8 crore traders across the country in India. Look at the today's scenario. The shutters are down, the income is stopped, and there is no security at all for them. And the reason is this second COVID wave that is going on in our country. This second COVID wave has shut down everything, including all the shops. And that is why there is no security in our income today. I talked about businesses, the same applies for jobs as well. There have been more job cuts in India during coronavirus lockdown than US lost during depression. Isn't this dangerous? Yes, it is. Along with that, there have been hefty pay cuts, job losses, and the careers of people have gone back by almost 3 to 4 years. This is very heartbreaking. Now, if we look at the pre and post-COVID scenario, let us look at the potential losers and winners. If we look at the potential losers, which sectors have lost the business in COVID? If you look at this list, it is the major loser is tourism here, because people are not getting out of their houses and going across the globe to see different countries. Next is aviation, automobile. See, these are all interconnected. Financial services, manufacturing, this is all interconnected. And these are all potential losers due to COVID-19. But yes, there are also winners. Though there are sectors who have won and who have harped on this pandemic and have grown quite magnificently. The sectors names are agriculture, e-commerce. E-commerce is the biggest gainer, I feel, in COVID-19 pandemic. Their business has increased manifolds. The third is information and communication technology. The fourth is personal and healthcare. Healthcare has become a major issue in our country. We need good healthcare because of COVID-19. Food processing, food products which we require daily. And last is medical supply and services. That is also very critical service, very critical sector which is important in our country, especially in COVID-19. Now, from now onwards, I will talk about how to build our customer network with the help of e-commerce. Everybody must have heard this word called direct selling. Direct selling is nothing but delivery of product directly from manufacturer to the customer. The names which I showed you earlier, Flipkart, Amazon, what do? They do the same thing. They deliver the product directly from the manufacturer to your home. So I will be talking about this concept from now onwards in rest of my slides. This is the first example. People are attracted towards digital payment systems called PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm. Why are they attracted? The main reason is they offer you cashback. For example, if you refer 5 people to PhonePe, they give you a 50 rupees cashback, 100 rupees cashback, and people get excited about it, isn't it? Yes. And because of that, PhonePe has increased its business, increased its presence, and increased its business. Next example is Flipkart. Flipkart is a leading company in e-commerce sector. It was started in 2007, almost 14 years ago. And look at this revenue. If you look at the revenue, in 14 years, they have touched 43,600 crores. This is mind-boggling. Can you imagine a turnover direct selling can create? This company was started by two Indian brothers called Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal. But if you look at the top, today's owner are Walmart. They control 81% stake in Flipkart. So you can imagine the amount of business direct selling is creating. So guys, don't you think it's time for change? Yes, definitely. If you have a plan A, it's time to shift to a plan B also. If you have a traditional business or if you have a job, yes, you should do it, but you should also have a plan B, especially in these testing times. Now, if you look at the current business challenge, those who run business, small shops, traders, what are the challenges they are facing today? The first challenge is huge capital investment. They have to invest enormous amount of money in stock and machinery. Second is they have to slog for 10 to 14 hours a day. Many traders, many business people, they don't even take a holiday. They slog 14 hours every day. Then there are lots of government regulations. Bureaucracy harasses. Then there are labor problems. You don't get good labor. And it is an active income source. Active in the sense, if you open the shutter, only then the income is coming. Otherwise, if your shutter is down, like for example, in COVID-19, all the shops are shut. There is no income right now. Then if you slog around 10 to 14 hours a day, you can't give time for your family. Absolutely. And the last is a trader or a businessman is always on risk. Yes, risk is always there. Then we'll come to job sector. There are challenges in business. Yes, there are challenges in job also. First is huge investment in studies, whether it is engineering, whether it is medical, any field, the fees have gone up manifolds. You have to invest huge amount of money in education. Only then you can get a very good job. Second is you at least need a post-graduation plus qualification. Otherwise, you won't get a good job. Here again, you have to work for 14 hours a day. If the company tells you to work for extra time, you don't get paid for that extra time. You require a good work experience. Your income is limited. You don't get a salary hike when you want to. You get a salary hike only when the company gives you. There is no security. You have lost lots of jobs in COVID-19, as I told you earlier. And there is no time freedom. You have to report to job whenever your boss tells you. You can't say to the boss, no, I won't come today. So you have to just obey the boss. Now we'll come to a very, very important topic called as secured income. There are two types of income. First is active and second is passive. First, we'll talk about active income. Active income is an income which is dependent upon your physical ability. When you're working, only then the income comes. Otherwise, it is stopped. And 95% of the people are in this category. The second is passive income. Passive income is an income, whether you work or you don't work, the money just keeps on coming in your bank accounts. So my question to you is whether you would like to create an active income or a passive income. Obviously, the answer would be passive income. So how do we create passive income? We'll talk more about that later. Now let us look at the examples. These are some leading industrialists who come in the category of passive income. And these names are familiar to everyone. Kumar Mangalam Birla, Gautam Adani, Mukesh Ambani, Sri Ratan Tata. They all earn crores of money. And these people are such Whether they don't work for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, they don't have any, they are tension-free people. The money keeps on coming. If I give an example, Mukesh Ambani, his wife, his son, they just, they now in COVID, of course, no one is allowed to enter the stadiums. But before COVID, they used to keep watching IPL for almost 2 months. But still, they are earning money. So this is an excellent example of passive income. India's one of the great businessmen, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, had said, यदि आप अपने सपने पूरे नहीं करते, कोई दूसरा आपका इस्तेमाल करके उसके सपने पूरे कर देगा. And this is 100% true, my friends. Let us have a look at this picture. If you look at this picture, there are some film stars and cricketers also. Now, if we take a look at Sachin Tendulkar or say Mahendra Singh Dhoni, what is their main profession? Cricket. They are cricketers. They play for India. They play cricket for India. But apart from that, they do commercial, they do ads through which they earn an income. And that income is passive income. So if they are ready to put in extra time to earn passive income, shouldn't we also do the same? One of the leading financial analysts, Mr. J. Paul Getty, has said once, if you want to be successful, you can't become through a job. You have to do a business. This is the first rule to become successful. The second thumb rule is the business should be of FMCG products, that is fast moving consumable goods. And why is saying that? Because FMCG is one sector which will not shut down come what may. Even in COVID-19, people won't stop eating salt, people won't stop using soap, people won't stop brushing teeth. So this is one sector which won't die. So if you enter into this sector, start business in this sector, I'm sure, or as J. Paul Getty says, you can become successful. But there should be a backup system to help you become successful in this business. So a system is also very, very important. So what are the big questions that are there in front of us? The first is, क्या चाहिए आपको? What do you want? क्यों चाहिए? Why do you want? कब चाहिए? When? And कैसे? How? That means there should be a vehicle which can help us achieve our dreams. So these are some dreams and goals which everyone has in their life. Don't you think, friends, we should have a very good bank balance, an excellent house, a mind-blowing car, a trip to an exotic location like Switzerland or Austria, time freedom, recognition? Yes, everyone dreams of. This is something which everyone dreams of. But to achieve this, you need to enter, or you need direct selling industry. This can help you achieve your dreams and goals. Now, what is direct selling and why I'm harping on this? If you look at this picture, CEO of Niti Aayog, Mr. Amitabh Kant, he also says that direct selling पे जोर देना बहुत जरूरत है. This means government is also recognizing that direct selling generates lots of revenue and lots of employment in the country. Not only that, as per FICCI and KPMG, these are two leading companies. What are they projecting? Look at the figure. Direct sales in India will reach 64,000 crore by 2025. Isn't this figure mind-boggling? Yes, it is. And there will be 1.8 crore, that means close to 2 crore direct sellers in India. And 60% of whom will be women. This is an excellent opportunity for women. So yes, what are they predicting is 101% correct. These are some facts and figures which I want to put in front of you. These are some global sale figures of some of the industries in 2012. The first is music industry. It reported sales of $16.5 billion. Video industry $67 billion. Movie industry, $80 billion. Organic products, $91 billion. But the last one, network marketing, $167 billion. Highest among the lot. So you can imagine the potential of network marketing and this industry has. Now we'll look at the turnover some countries generate around the world. The first country is USA. The population 32 crores. That is 1/4 of India. But look at the turnover, 2,12,000 crores. China, as same as India. The population is as same as India. But the turnover, it's 1,70,000 crores. Then we'll come down to Malaysia. The population is mere 3 crores. 3 crores means it is as big as Maharashtra. But the turnover is 4 times that of India, 30,000 crores. But India, in spite of population of 132 crores, it has today a turnover of only 7,800 crores. So there is huge potential for network marketing in India, and I guarantee that India is a sleeping giant. And those who will enter this industry right now will be a multi-millionaire by 2025. This is going to happen. Now we'll look at the product distribution system. All the FMCG products, they, say for example 2 to 3 years ago, how would they reach the customer? What was the distribution chain? First, it would get manufactured in the fast factory. From there, it would come to the C&F agent, then to the distributor, then wholesaler, retailer, and then finally to the customer. So a product which was manufactured in say 20 to 30 rupees, it would cost the customer 100 rupees. So the cost would increase say by 70 to 80%. The customer used to sell out 70 to 80% more. So now what has happened today, these middlemen are being replaced by supermarkets, malls, and bazaars. And who own these supermarkets? Again, these big tycoons like Ambani's, Adani's, Tata's, and Godrej. They earn this supermarket. So what is happening is this 70 to 80% of that money is going into their pocket. So from manufacturer to the supermarket and to the customer. So this 70 to 80% benefit, which should actually reach the customer, is going into the pockets of these big businessmen. Now this is next generation distribution system. From manufacturer to customer. This is what is direct selling, where a customer can shop also and earn also. This is what prosumer is. Prosumer means producer as well as consumer. So this is the future. This is what I want to talk about. The next decade or the next 20 to 30 years will be about this industry. Those who will enter direct selling will make lots and lots of money. Those who are watching this presentation will be familiar with this picture. Say 5 to 6 years ago, if we want to purchase an electronic item, say washing machine or an AC, we would go to a nearby electronic store and would purchase it. But today, the customer has become advanced. He wants to go to a branded electronic shop and purchase all the items. So the brand has become important for the customer rather than the shop. So I talked about direct selling. You would be wondering, why would I enter direct selling? So these are some of the benefits which I want to tell. First of all, there is no investment, so hence no risk. Second, you don't need any education or experience to enter this industry. The only criteria required is you should be 18 years of age. That's it. There is no manpower required like you require in shops. You require manpower to run shops. You don't require manpower here. You can do it part-time or full-time, in any way. Company creates the infrastructure. You don't need any infrastructure. Company creates the infrastructure. You just have to build the turnover using that infrastructure. Then the product range. What is the product range? Again, FMCG. The products which we need daily, essential products. And the last one is, it is a win-win situation. You don't lose anything when you enter this industry. Now, the company with which we are associated, the name is Vestige India. It is India's #1 direct selling company, and I'm proud to be associated with such a company. Now, let me in brief tell you something about this company. It was established in 2004. The head office is located in Gurgaon, Haryana. The annual turnover of 2018-19 is 1857 crore, and 2019-20 is 2,800 crores. It is operating in India plus 8 countries. Now look at this, friends. The benefit is you get an opportunity to build this business not only in India plus 8 countries. That means you can build this business globally also. Suppose, for example, if a person, Mr. X, is running a shop, maximum area he can cover is his district, not more than that. But if you enter direct selling or a company like Vestige, you get an opportunity to build this business in 8 different countries. It has a excellent range of 350 plus products. It has an infrastructure of 4,500 plus retail outlets. Plus, it has its own app and its own website also, from where you can order the products and use them. It is ranked number 30 in top 100 direct selling companies. It has a network of 2 crore plus independent distributors. And look at this last point, friends. This is humongous. There is a person called Mr. Siddhar Singh. I would be telling him about you later. He earns 1 crore rupees per month. These are some of the countries where Vestige is located. First is UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Oman, Thailand, Ghana, and Nepal. So you can build this business in India plus these countries. If you have contacts there, yes, you can build this business there also. Now, why Vestige? Yes, you would be asking me a question. I am purchasing all my daily needed products from a shop or a mall. Why should I switch to Vestige? Now, this is the reason why you should switch to Vestige. First is discount. Whether you purchase from a shop or mall, maximum discount they give you is 3 to 5%, not more than that. But Vestige offers you a discount of 10 to 20% on MRP. Second is free products. You don't get any free products. But Vestige offers you 10% free products on every invoice up to 18th of every month. Third is loyal customer benefit. See, you must be purchasing products, say, for 8 years, 10 years from a single shop or mall. So you are a loyal customer of that, right? But do they give you any benefits? No, not at all. Vestige gives you approximately 20% benefits, loyal customer benefits. And fourth is referral cashback. Cashback is something which is attracting everybody today. You don't get cashbacks in shop or mall, but according to your turnover level, here in Vestige, you get a cashback of 5 to 11%. Isn't that great, friends? Now we look at an example here. Let us say a family is purchasing products worth rupees 3,500 per month. So their total expenditure goes to 42,000 per year. Now these are the savings which a family can make. First, as I said, discount is approximately 10 to 10%. That comes to around 6,000 rupees. Second, free products worth 10%. That comes to 4,000 rupees. Loyalty, customer loyalty bonus voucher. 3 vouchers on DP of 3,000 rupees. That comes to around 9,000 rupees. Cashback approximately you get around 2,000 rupees. So the total saving on 42,000 consumption is 21,000. Tell me, guys, which mall or which shop offers you so much savings? Nobody, absolutely nobody. So if you look at this slide, 21,000 saving in 42,000 purchase is almost 50%. So you will be saving 50% of your money if you change the shop and start purchasing your products from Vestige. There are total 9 ways to earn income when you join Vestige. First is, of course, saving on consumption when you start consuming products from Vestige. The savings is almost 10 to 20%. Referral cashback bonus, as I told you, 5 to 11%. The third income, bronze director bonus. Now this income, the last three incomes, they are passive incomes. What I mean by passive income is you earn this income only if you create a network in Vestige. First is bronze director bonus 4%, business building bonus 14%, and leadership overriding bonus is 16%. If you create a network of say 800 people, 1,200 people, only then you can earn this income. Apart from this income, you get another 4 types of income. First is travel fund. We like to roam around the world, right? So the company gives you travel fund so that you can see different cities, you can roam in India, you can travel abroad. So the travel fund is around 5%. Car fund. If you want to purchase a new car, the company gives you car fund, that is 5%. House fund is 3%. You want to build a new house, for that also company gives you fund, that is 3%. And the last is elite club bonus is around 2%. Now, if you want to build this business, what you have to do? It is extremely simple, very, very simple. First is, as I told you, have to change the shop and start using Vestige products. And then you have to just promote, like these film stars, these cricketers, they promote products, right? Like for example, you can see here, Sachin Tendulkar is promoting Adidas, right? Here you have to promote Vestige. The thing is same. You have to just change the brand, use it and promote it. Now, if you want to build a business, there has to be a strong support or a backup system. Here we have a winning team, a support system called winning team, which conducts trainings, business trainings, and provide education about this business. So if you have a fear that how I will learn about this business, how I will succeed about this business, there is no need to worry, because winning team will provide you every possible help you need in this business. Now we'll look at the people who are doing this business. People from every possible background are in this business, right? From doctors, engineers, government officers, lawyers, traders, industrialists, scientists, bankers, students, even actors, salesmen, uneducated. So if you look at this list, you will find a person, or a guy and a girl from each and every sector. There is no sector that has been left in this list. First person is Shri S.P. Beryl sir. He is our chief mentor, and he is the one who guides us in this business. And in the last 2-3 months ago, he has purchased a Porsche car worth rupees 1.5 crore. And guys, this achievement of his is in just last 6 years. So if Shri S.P. Beryl can achieve this in 6 years, we can also do the same. Next is Mr. Anup and Aarti Gupta from Bhopal. He was a sales manager in pharma industry. He started this business in March 2015, that is 6 years ago. His income from Vestige today is 19,67,000. And yes, he has an Audi Q3. If you look at these list people, they all have luxury cars. Again, Mr. Sagar and Rachita Bhamri, they are from Mumbai. He is an MBA and financial consultant. They also started business in 2016. He is earning around 15,40,000 rupees per month. He also has an Audi. If you look at the income and Audi, if you look at the income and cars Vestige distributors have, you can imagine the potential this business has. Mr. Rama and Mamta Solanki from Mumbai. He was also a sales executive in pharma industry. He started business 5 years ago. He is earning around 7 lakh rupees per month. If you look at the bottom, friends, he has given there is an income chart. Just look at this growth. In November 2017, Mr. Rama Solanki was earning around 1,82,000 rupees per month. In November 2018, 1 year later, that income has doubled, 3,96,000. And in November 2019, again there has been a massive growth. That is 5 lakh. Tell me, friends, which business or which job will give you so much of growth? No business, no job, only Vestige. Earlier, I said you the top earner in Vestige is around 1 crore rupees, right? He is the person. He is Mr. Siddharth Singh. Now look at his income, 1 crore 18 lakhs 55,000. Imagine, friends, what would be his lifestyle and what would be your lifestyle if you start earning this much amount of money. Women are also very successful in this business. Mrs. Mrs. Dipali Patrawala, she is a businesswoman. She is earning around 35 lakh rupees per month. She also has a she has a Mercedes. Mr. D.V. Patil and Nital Patil. Mr. D.V. Patil is an ex-professor. He is earning around 50,000 rupees per month from this business. Anand and Rashmi Sutar from Ichalkaranji, they are businessmen. He is earning 37,000 rupees. Mr. Gajanan Nalaude from Sangli, he is also businessman. He is earning 32,000 rupees. So, what I talked about, these are all educated, nice people. Now, if you look at the left-hand corner, there is a handicapped person who is earning a good amount of income. In fact, a decent amount of income from Vestige. His income is around 4,38,000 rupees per month. Then you will also see an auto rickshaw driver and also a laborer who is earning good amount of money from Vestige. Dr. M.G. Rai, he had an OPD of around 200 to 300 patients every day, but still he started this business and he is earning around 2 lakh rupees per month from this business. Then Mrs. Parul Italia, she is a wife of a diamond merchant. Guys, you know a lifestyle of a diamond merchant. He has lots of money, right? But still his wife started this business and she is earning 1 lakh rupees per month. Then not only doctors and housewives, but students are also very successful in this business. Shivam Goswami, a student, is earning around 6,07,000 rupees per month. Purnima Singh, again a student, she is earning around 2,50,000 rupees. So I assume everyone wants to be successful, right? Yes, everyone wants to be, but success depends on you, whether you work or not. As I told you about travel fund earlier, this was my parents' first trip through Vestige Travel Fund, completely funded by that. I mean, completely funded by Vestige. They went on a cruise trip to Thailand and Malaysia, and they enjoyed a lot. You can see from these pictures how much enjoyment they had on that cruise. This was our second trip. We went to Dubai in February this year, and we enjoyed a lot. We have a distributor from our team, Ashish sir there. He is building this business with extremely good speed, and he helps us a lot. And yes, he also helped us to see the beautiful city of Dubai. And I insist, everyone watching this presentation should definitely visit this beautiful city. We also got a car from the Vestige Car Fund. We bought a Maruti Swift Desire 3 years ago through Vestige Car Fund. Now this is very important. Dad started his business in July 2017. His first month income from Vestige was 1,500 rupees only. 1 year later, it became 13,000 rupees. 1 year later, in 2019, it grew by 4 folds, 52,000 rupees. Again, a year later, in June 2020, it grew to 93,000. And last year, in September 2020, his income was 1,21,000 rupees. So if you look at the growth is humongous. So what can we earn? See guys, if we keep doing what we are doing today, we will keep earning that limited amount of income. We won't break our income barrier. If we want to break our income barrier, we have to do something extra, whether in part-time or full-time. For example, if you create a network of 200 customers in Vestige in a year, those 200 people will definitely bring another 800 people. So you will be creating a network of around 1,000 distributors in Vestige. Like you put in 2 to 3 hours daily, those 1,000 distributors would be putting again 2 to 3 hours. And if one person, if we assume he purchases products worth rupees 3,500, if you multiply it by 1,000 distributors, your monthly turnover will be 35 lakhs. This is the power of network, my friends. Robert Kiyosaki, he was the financial advisor to ex-president of USA. He says, the richest people in the world look and build networks. Everyone else looks forward. Now, what will this business give you? First, part full-time income opportunity. Now, if you look in COVID-19, many people have lost their jobs. Traders have shut their shops. There is no source of income. If you start building this business, you will start earning an income, which will give you a security even when your main source of income is shut. Worldwide good relationships. Recognition will be recognized as you increase your level in this business. As you climb the ladder, you will be recognized on the stages. You learn good family values through this business. Winning team helps you to learn those good family values. As I said, passive income. Everybody wants that passive income. You can earn passive income. You can get financial freedom from this business. You can enjoy world tours. You can get luxury cars. You can drive luxury cars. You can build a beautiful dream home like you want for your family. You can leave a legacy for your next generation. And last, optimal health. Health is very important, my friends. And through Vestige, you can also enjoy an optimal health. So my question to you is, are you busy in earning 25,000 to 1 lakh? Or you believe that you can earn 5 to 50 lakh rupees per month also? If you believe, then you have to change the decision. You have to get in Vestige and get that job done. Only if you believe. So you have to change your shop and start business with Winning Team and Vestige. So these three questions are very important, my friends. If you don't start this business now, then when will you start? The late you do, your income growth will happen very slowly. If not you, then who? अगर आप ही नहीं करोगे तो दूसरा कोई नहीं कर सकता. And if not Vestige, then what? Do you have any other business opportunity other than Vestige, which can give you so much of growth in your income? If you don't have any answer, friends, then you have to start Vestige. And you can become an online global business owner for free. The registration doesn't take any charge. The registration is completely free. All you have to do is change the shop. Thank you, and back to host.
Yes, thank you so much, Vardhan. I think that was a perfect plan today, a wonderful plan. I couldn't imagine that it was his first plan.